Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to put the Verizon router in bridge mode. Really easy and simple guys, so you basically want to first access the router admin page, okay? And then just go ahead and click the advanced option right here on the top, okay? And from the left menu, what you're going to do is you're going to come here and select network settings, and then what you want to do is guys click on network connections from the drop down list. So once you click on this, there'll be a list of options right here. Click on network connections, and then from network connections guys, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and click network, home/office. Click on this, and then from the top of the network home/office section, you want to click on settings here. Then you will come to all these options. So from the bridge section, what you're going to do is you want to turn on this option right here. Check this. Okay, make sure this is checked, IP pass-through, and then click on save changes. Then you just want to wait for about 1 to 2 minutes for the router to reboot, and basically when the device is actually returned to normal operation, and this will basically display a solid white LED. You want to plug your own network equipment, your router, switch, into the LAN 2 port via the Ethernet on the bottom of the router, okay? Go ahead and do that, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and enable IP pass-through. If this basically causes the IP address assigned by the network to hand off to the device connection to LAN 2 port. So if you want to disable pass-through, what you can do is you can just connect the device to the LAN 1 Ethernet port, just sign in to the admin web, UI, and then repeat steps 2 to 5. Okay, let me show you this. 2 to 5 right here, and just uncheck IP pass-through. Really that easy and simple guys, and you will be able to go ahead and do this really easy and simple. So I hope this video provided value to you, and if it did guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.